So I want to give you this quick update. Let's quick charge the road. Блядь, what is happening here right now? So, if we are watching here on the 15-minute right now, it's very interesting because we have here descending broadening wedge, and I told you we'll see high volatility while we are sleeping because the Asia market open. You see, bam, a huge shit down below to this support line of this descending broadening wedge, and technical price target, or let me go on the 1 hourly, it's maybe better. Technical price target of this descending broadening wedge is approximately, wait a minute, is approximately, so it depends where the breakout will be. Let's say the breakout will be here or a little bit earlier. So it's approximately 19,815 if we break this resistance line to the upside, right? So we are right now in a bullish pattern, descending broadening wedge, so the probability that we are breaking to the upside than to the downside is more likely. However, it's not a guarantee, so please do your own research, bratans. Also, very important, I show you why I think it's quite possible. So we have here S&P 500, and we closed S&P 500 at 3,585 on Friday evening, and will open at 9:30 US time, New York time, the stock market, S&P 500, right? And I told you I'm expecting to see pump, and what we see in the futures, we see already 3,606, because it's very obvious for me. If we open the stock market like this, we will see pump in the stock market, obviously, and we see pump also in Bitcoin market. I'm expecting. Why? Because if we are watching here, S&P 500 is heavily oversold on the 1 hourly and also on the 15-minute, heavily oversold. So I'm expecting here to see some pump to the upside. Will it be the pump which is enough for breakout? I don't know, bratans, nobody know. However, I'm expecting here at least to see pump here to our support resistance line to 1,900, 90,300, approximately 0.7%. I expecting at least. And what is very interesting, if we are breaking here this line to the upside, I told you the price tag is 19,800, and if I go on the daily and took out the Fibonacci, it's very interesting because, wait a minute, look at this. Look at this, bratan. Хуяк. And what is here the price target? The one of the most important Fibonacci price targets is 0.618, and you see 90,939. You see this one. So it's quite possible that we will reaching here something below 20k. It's very, very possible. Let's see if this works out. For us, doesn't matter. We don't have to pray it will work out, because it doesn't matter. Why it doesn't matter? So, in my opinion, I explain you. Wait a minute. In my opinion, right now is, wait a minute, let me go. 1 hourly is neutral, 15-minute is neutral. So, in my opinion, right now could be a long opportunity. For example, if we are taking, it's very risky. This is what I'm doing. I'm longing here until the first price is 9,250. Next one is here, the support line, resist line is 19,288. And if we break this line to the upside, then obviously we can go in a big long position. First price is 90,319. Next one is 19,426, 19,478. Next one is 19,627. Next one is our white line, this resistance line, 19,730, 3%. Until now, already 3%, 10x average 30%, 20x average over 60%. And then further, the next price target would be obviously here our price target of this descending broadening wedge at around 90,816. So all in all, 3.5% long opportunity, 10x average 35, 20x average over 70% long opportunity. If we are further breaking to the upside, what is expecting but not a guarantee, bratan. So do your own research. I will open here long and with the stop loss slightly below this support line. Obviously, if I see bigger dump, I will quickly switch. Where's the short opportunity? A short opportunity is, in my opinion, very clear if we're breaking here this white yellow line to the downside. So approximately if we break 18,882 to the downside, we can start to short. First price at 18,739. Next one is 18,632. Next one is 18,486. Then we have 18,050. And then we have here, I have to extend the orange line, around 17,369, 8%, 10x average, 80%, 20x average, over 160% short opportunity. Only if we're breaking here this yellow line to the downside. So around 18,880, 18,800. 85. If we're breaking to the downside, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Very clear, right? So, like I told you, in my opinion, I'm expecting here the probability more to breaking up. So, therefore, in my opinion, it's a good long opportunity, at least to this yellow line, right? But it's only for professional traders, bratans. Please do your own research. More safe is, in my opinion, if we break this yellow line to the upside with a clear 50-minute candle, we can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins, but this one would be a more risky trade if we take here already long with the stop loss slightly below this yellow line, because we are expecting here to see pump, right? At least if we break this line, at least to the 19,731, because of this huge support resistance, which was previous a support line. You see, it was support, 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 and it would turn into resistance. So very clear, long opportunity either now, or if we break here this yellow line to the upside, then we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we break this yellow line to the downside, we can short Bitcoin, Apecoin, Solana, all the altcoins. Very clear, in my opinion, where we are doing it, bratans. On Bybit, you get $4,620 for free. You can use it for trading. After initial deposit, you get this bonus only, very clear, after a certain amount of initial deposit. But even without initial deposit, you get free access to my Discord Telegram channel if you're trading through my affiliate link, bratans. You know this is the most sexual, erotic channel in the whole crypto space. So make sure you don't miss these calls in my Telegram group. So Ethereum, I found a very interesting line, bratans. Oh, it's getting very confusing. Let me here delete these lines, because it's getting very confusing. Maybe on the daily even it's better. We have here on the daily, if we are watching, I delete this line too. Wait a minute. So not delete, I will go, that's not here shown. Huyak. And look at this. It's a very clear, we have here support, support, support. It's a huge support line. So in Ethereum, if we're breaking here this yellow support line to the downside, I mean, this will be dramatic short opportunity for us if we break this yellow line to the downside. Let me go on the 4 hourly and show you. So if Bitcoin breaking to the upside, first things first, we have only to watch if Bitcoin break to the upside. If Bitcoin break to the upside, what we are expecting, we can long Ethereum. First price is 1,313, next one is 1,330, next one is 1,350, next one is 1,360, 1,370, 1,386, and 1,400. 8.2% long opportunity, 10x 82, 20x over 100, 64% long opportunity. If Bitcoin breaking to the upside, what we're more expecting, we could set here stop loss slightly below this yellow line, right? If Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we can start to short Ethereum. First price is 1,276, next one 1,264, next one is 1,258. And if we're breaking this level of, at the moment, 1,258, we can set even a bigger short, because this would cause, in my opinion, technically speaking, a very big liquidation of trades, Ethereum trades, and we will see huge breakdown. Next price tag would be 1,239, 1,221, and then we have here this white line at around, this white line, support this white line at 1,169 approximately, 9.5%, 10x average 95, 20x average over around 190% short opportunity if Bitcoin breaking further to the downside. So very clear, if Bitcoin break to the upside, we are longing Ethereum. If Bitcoin break to the downside, we are shorting Ethereum, especially if we're breaking here this yellow line to the downside. But that's also Ethereum, you can short, long, or just buying on spot on Bybit. Also with this bonus, if you have initial deposit. If not, you still get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Bratans, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Very important. You have to do your own research. You have to understand what you're doing. If you don't do it, you will lose everything. You will lose your clothes, your wife, your husband, your genitals, everything. So please do your own research, bratans. Very, very important. If you have any questions, write me down below or in the Telegram channel. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.